How to create a new viral TikTok transition for free. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC or mobile. And once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for app.pixverse.ai. Once you search for it, all you have to do is simply log in to your account. If you don't have any account, you can simply sign up and create your new account. So once you have created a new account, this is the interface that you're gonna see inside your screen. From here, go ahead and tap on transition. In this mode, you can upload the first and last frame and describe the content between them. So go ahead and tap on the first image and then select your first image. And once you have your first image, go ahead and tap on the second image icon and then insert a second image that you like to get transitioned into. Once you have both the image, you can go ahead and describe the content between the first frame and second frame right over here. Or you can simply tap on create, which requires 30 credits. Go ahead and tap on create, and just like so, it's gonna generate you the transition. And here is the transition right over here. Well, that is simply how to create a new viral TikTok transition for free. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.